In this video I will be showing you how to create a line item template. Firstly, we need to go to Config at the bottom left. From here, you then need to click View Line Items button. This is the Line Item Templates page. Here you can add new items and edit existing items. To create a new line item, click the Add Line Item button. First, we need to create a description. Descriptions are used for the autocomplete search function when creating a job sheet with line items. It is recommended to keep these concise where possible. Next, you can enter a SKU code, but this is optional. Then enter a quantity and how much the item will cost. To save the details you have entered, click Create Line Item. You can now see the new line item we created is here. To edit a line item, click on the pen and paper icon here. You can then change any information in the form. If you want this item to no longer show, click the Archived button here. Once you have finished, click the Save button. Here you can see the information has been updated.